Welcome to this video introducing you to your store in the WVU e-commerce marketplace mall. Your store is not yet ready to appear here, but you are almost there. You will receive an email from ITS when your store is available for you to access. You will also receive an email with your username and password for the marketplace. This will not be the same as your WVU login. After you have logged in, hover over Applications and choose Marketplace. When you requested a store, you identified employees who would need access to perform roles within the system. You can tell what role or roles you have when you log in and look at your menu. If you see products, that means you are a store manager and can add products and monitor inventory. If you see marketplace reports, that means that you can run reports showing store activity and for reconciliation actions. If you see fulfill orders, that means you can process orders that need to be shipped. Some fulfillers can also cancel orders and refund payments. One person can have all these roles, but some stores prefer to segregate duties. At least one product has been set up for you. You can locate it by expanding the Store Settings menu and then choosing Products. Click the product name to view its settings. In General Settings, you can add options and modifiers. If this product was brought over from Able Commerce and had questions for the shopper attached to the product, you will not see those questions here. You will need to recreate them. An option can be a choice for the user, such as color, size, or pattern. In your reports, they will show up as different items. A modifier is a choice for the user that provides more detail, such as cell phone number or emergency contact. The categories that you requested have been set up for you. This store has categories for different sports camps. After clicking one of the categories, your customers will see the different products within that category. When you create a product, you can place it in a category. You are not able to add your own categories, but you can request that ITS create one for you. Basic descriptions were imported from Able Commerce, but you are able to change these to suit your needs. In Product Settings, you can enter the price and determine inventory settings. You will be able to identify how this product will be delivered. Physical products can be shipped, while non-physical products, such as event registration, will be auto-fulfilled, meaning they will be confirmed digitally after payment. Default messages to the customer have been set up by the software. You can add to these default messages to confirm the order and shipment and to notify the customer of an order cancellation or refund. When you completed the form to set up your store, you identified the shipping method for physical products. This appears in the Options Settings region. All products are considered taxable unless you have been given approval to change the default setting to no tax by the WVU Tax Services Office. Do not change the default tax setting unless you have been given approval to do so. Requests for approval should be submitted via the TouchNet Marketplace request form through Shared Services by selecting Updating Existing to update your existing store and to request approval to change the default tax setting. No images have been imported from Able Commerce, but you are able to add images to your product. The best image will have a width and height of 800 pixels, but they can also be smaller as long as they have the same width and height in pixels. The maximum file size is 500 kilobytes. When you have a product completely set up, you can click the settings icon and then clone the product so that it can be used as a template for other products. For example, if you will have numerous events with similar modifiers and options but different dates, you can clone the product and then just modify the dates in the clones. All the products you create will be listed in the Products region. You can search for a specific product, and you can sort the products in various ways, including by category. Now you can get started building your store. View additional instructions below.